Bonkle House in Bonkle Road. I had no idea this existed. From the outside, Bonkle and Wishaw look like endless rows of houses, but just one row back, everything changes. Ancient peat bogs over 6,000 years old, frogs courting in former mine works, roe deer moving quietly through a reclaimed woodland, and hidden beneath it all, the preserved mystery of a man found in the moss. Locals still call it the Pit. This landscape once powered Scotland's industry. Now nature has returned, slowly and quietly, but the stories remain. Have you ever discovered somewhere like this, hidden in plain sight?